From the time that you put into it cleaning, detailing, and maintaining your vehicle, you want to make sure that it gets the best treatment possible this Valentine's Day. Whether you're booking it in for a regular oil change, major maintenance, or even a detail over in Johnny's Wax Shop, the MotorWerke employees will treat your car as though it's our own. It's the month of love after all. Shouldn't it be time to spread some to your car?